YouTube, it's me, Lego Boy, with the new Lego Store monthly build, June, Parrot. I got it from the Lego Store just yesterday, and I'm going to build it for you guys. Hi, I'm finished building the parrot, and this is what I got. The feathers can go up and down because it's on a ball joint, both of its feathers, and now on the back, its tail can go up and down. It has spikes on the end of it, and you can put a guy on here if you want to ride him on his tail. And so it's smooth in the front, smooth on his head, and the nose was look good. For this video, I hope you like it. Comment and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Peace out.